All right, guys, welcome back. Just a little bit of things that I've been going through, just trying to get everything connected before we move into the car. I'm just trying to connect this hose to the front mount intercooler, from the front mount intercooler into the charge pipe, because it's not connecting into the front mount intercooler. I'm just going to remove this, try and get this out of the way, and then connect it up to this. Also, see if I can show you. The inlet kind of touches the belt a little. When I took it to the shop to get the turbos installed, they had zip ties to kind of move it away from the belt, so we got to put some zip ties on that. The car is filled with coolant so far. Come on now. Come on now. Okay, so far. Oh boy, what do we got here? There's a coolant leak. I don't want to start this thing until I find out where this leak is coming from. So, my current issue is the battery is dead. Which the battery is dead because my alternator has been going bad for a very long time. I've been just driving the car, charging the battery, but the alternator is on its way out. So I did look and find out where the leak is coming from, and this pipe right here, this hose right here. So I may need to remove the fan again just to get to that hose and really make sure it's on really good before I can proceed with this. Another thing I want to take care of is turning down the ride stiffness of the coilovers I installed, the BC Racing coilovers I installed. That's why I like these coilovers, because they're really adjustable and you can adjust them to get the ride quality you like. So probably gonna turn them down to like maybe 3 notches, and then we'll do the one in the trunk later on. I'm not even gonna worry about that right now. Right now my main concern is getting the fan back out. Hopefully I can kind of get it out without having to that looks like it's gonna be in the way. Yeah. Yeah, there's just no real way. I'm gonna drain this out again. That's why I took the precaution and went and bought 2 things of coolant. I'm gonna need to buy an extra bottle. And then drain it, fill this thing back up. Let's go again. All right, so front mount intercooler is down again. Let's see if we can see this leak. Oh, okay. Is that where it's coming from? Yeah, that is where it's coming from. All right, let's just drain. Let's just keep it moving. Let's just drain the coolant out. Let's just drain the coolant. Get ready for that splash. And then we can just remove the fan and then disconnect the hoses up top. This is part of the game. I actually kind of like it. Just left it out, but I want to show you guys that not everything's just gonna go recording. Come on, get on me, man. Jeez. Not everything is gonna go according to plan. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drain this and be right back. I know I'm gonna need the second one. Let me grab it really quick. Oh no. All right, I'll let this drain and then we can go find out why there's a small leak. It's probably an O-ring or something like that, but all right, so we've got the fan out. This side isn't leaking. That's good. But this side right here, this side is. I can almost guarantee this is a ring. This is a freaking ring. I'm gonna have to order a new ring. Let's just take a look at it. It seems like this one up here too has a slow leak. It's not fully connected, which it looks like it. This one here definitely, so I'm gonna remove this, pull it out, take a look at it. Okay, so from what it looks like, nothing else is leaking. I'm thinking this ring, this O-ring is bad. So while I'm down here, I'm just gonna go ahead and change them out. I'll change out this one, even though it's not leaking. I'm just gonna change it anyway. And this is the only one. This is the only one that seems to be leaking. All the rest of them are okay. Oof. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, run to the store, see if I can find some O-rings. If I can't find them, I'll just order some new ones. A minor setback. It's a good thing I saw the leak though. When I was installing the radio, I was like, let me go ahead and pour coolant into the car and start the process and see if I can get it started. When I first poured it in, there was no leak. I waited like a day or so, came back, and there was a leak. So it's a good thing I waited. I'm gonna go ahead, head to the store real quick, and I'll start to put everything back together once I get back. All right, we are back. Did you guys know that Prestone makes the BMW formula for the European cars? Thank you, Prestone. Also, we picked up some universal O-rings. I'm pretty sure one of these are in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Okay, so some of the weird stuff that you guys don't see. My sway bar, you've probably seen it in some of my previous videos. It's just hanging down. Well, it seems like it's stripped. So I'm gonna put in an order for a new adjustable sway bar link. Huh. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm just gonna put in an order for this. I wanna run my test right now. It's just some of the things that you guys don't see. But I kind of want to run a test to see if this ring works. We're not going to fill it up, but just pour a little bit in there just to see if anything leaks, and hopefully we don't fill it up too much. Fill it just enough. Just enough to see if anything leaks. Drink. I think that should be enough. I think that should be enough. I think that should be enough. Now we wait, and we wait. Okay. Okay. That's looking good. That's looking real good. Oh, all right. Good. Yeah. Made it, boys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start to put everything back together. It's just gonna go faster if I'm not recording stuff. I'm just gonna put everything back together, start the car, see if anything explodes, and then it's back to the drawing board. But I'm pretty sure we're good. And then we can move on back into the radio and stuff like that, guys. If you like what you see, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. We've got more to come. Let's go.